Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick video on FileZilla, how to use it. We did a quick upload Hello World FileZilla in the last one. I'm just going to show you a little more detailed explanation just because you want to get good at it and be able to use it a lot. It's totally not rocket science. Just sit back, relax, check this out. Okay, 3 ways to get into your site. Here's the Site Manager button. This just gives you a list of your sites. So if you already have a bookmark here, you can just hit connect. That's great. It'll just try to connect. Let's see, if you want to add a new site bookmark, or a new site, I guess it's called, you could just enter the name here. This is a nickname. It doesn't matter what you put. This is the host name, so this would be like your domain name. Port doesn't matter usually. Protocol, it's usually going to be usually it's going to be FTP. If you're using nearly free speech, it'll be SFTP. Definitely make sure to change that if you're using nearly free speech. Normal logon type is normal. Then you would put your username here and your password here, and then you could just hit OK to save this new site in your list, or you can hit connect. That will also save it. To delete one of these guys, just hit delete. Okay, if you have a bookmark or a site in your site list in the Site Manager, you can access it real quick just by hitting that drop down and then hitting the name. That'll connect. Also, if you're not worried about saving the site, you can just do a quick connect here and then hit quick connect and it'll try to connect. Okay, what are we looking at in the rest of this? Left side is my computer, right side is my server, whatever I just connected to. So I'm connected to my server. You can upload something from your computer to your server by double clicking it. That'll try to upload it. Here's going to be a little progress bar. It'll show you it as it uploads. Very nice, very nice. I'm going to kill this. You can delete something on either side by hitting it and hitting the delete key. You can also right click and hit delete. Pardon me. You can upload a bunch of stuff by clicking the top item, then holding shift and clicking the bottom item. Scratch that. Click the top item, hold shift, and double click the bottom item. That's just going to upload all of those real quick. And you can see it has 14 files queued, and in a second it'll start firing them off. There you go. I guess I'll let that run. Okay. What else? You can download something. I'm going to delete this. You can download something from your server by double clicking it. It'll just download it to whatever folder's open. Let's talk about getting around FileZilla in your keyboard. Tab goes from pane to pane. Shift tab goes backwards from pane to pane. You can find a file by hitting the first letter of it. So if I hit F, it'll take me to flowers. If I hit S, it'll take me to style. If I hit I, it'll take me to images. Now, if I want to go in that folder, of course I could double click it, or I can just hit enter since it's already highlighted. It'll take me there. Now, if I want to get up a directory, I could, so I'm in images. If I want to go back up to public, I could double click it here in my directory tree list. I could also double click this dot dot, that'll go up a level. Also, if I want to get to the dot dot, I can hit period, that'll take me there, then I can enter, and that'll take me up a level. So now you know how to real fast get around. You can just upload or download something by hitting enter once it's highlighted. So that's just going to download my style sheet real quick. Okay, so that's that. Let's talk about this. So now we've uploaded the flower stuff. And you would think if I reload this, it would show me the flower site because flowers HTML is sitting in the public directory, and the public directory is what people see. Actually, no, you need to type flowers HTML here, and then it'll pull up. So how do you make it like a normal website? Like you don't go to cnn.com and then type in like newshomepage.com or something. It'll take you right there. Well, to do that, this is a lamp stack, an Apache lamp stack. So I believe this server is set by default to look for an index HTML. And if you do that, if you change the site you want, the file you want to just pull up automatically to index HTML, that'll do it. Now it's saying it's 404. think this just takes a minute to reload. I'm gonna like a minute to refresh or something. I'm gonna pause it. Yeah, so it's working now. That's just a thing with nearly free speech. It just takes a minute when you add a new, like you add the first index HTML file. It just takes a second for it to get there, like literally like 20 seconds or something. I don't know why it's not immediate. So that's all that. I want to show you one other thing real quick. So like if we upload so this is public here. If I upload the whole flowers directory, I'm going to right click the directory, hit upload. So now I just want to show you how like a directory is like a folder on your server. Let me make sure everything's up here. Flowers HTML. I don't know why that's not working. Is it called flowers? Or yeah, it is called flowers. This should work, unless I'm mistaken. Okay, so my problem there was that I had a trailing slash at the end of it. So if you do flowers / flowers HTML, it'll pull up your home page again. I just want to show you how like this is a subdirectory on your server. It's just a folder. So if you need to build extra folders or anything like that, you want to build a test site on a subdirectory. That's how to do it. No big deal.